Hey guys, my name is Dustin. Today we're going to go over our dash skin for the 98-01 Dodge Ram, and let's get started on it. As you can see, if you have a 98-01 Ram, this is probably what your dash looks like. Super common, they bust up, but our dash skin product literally just covers over top of this cracked dash and it'll look like a brand new dash. All you have to have is mainly your perimeter, because a lot of them are going to have big holes like this in it, and our product will work for anything that's like this. Let's go ahead and grab the dash cover and I'll kind of show you what it looks like installed. To install this, it just simply installs right over top of your original cracked dash, like so. And the front lip over here will tuck behind the bezel. And then this lip will tuck right behind this airbag portion right here, just like so. So it looks all flush. And as you can see, they do come in matching colors, as well as the texture matches as well. And another really common point of failure on these second gen Rams is the bezel. So as you can see, you got pieces missing as well as cracks going on with the bezel as well. So what we've done is we've actually made a bezel cover, and it installs over top of this bezel just like the dash cover does. Let's go ahead and grab that and I'll demonstrate how it installs over top of the original one. And here's the bezel cover. We're gonna go ahead and demonstrate installing it for you. All right. Like I said, I already have the steering wheel lowered all the way down, and then we'll just have the key on and we'll just shift that to the lowest gear just to give us enough clearance to install this. And we'll simply just install this over top of the original bezel, just like so. And obviously we just dry fitted this right now, so there's no adhesive that's actually holding it in place. But when you do install it using the silicone, you'll just want to put some prop rods or pieces of wood or PVC that's cut to length to just put some pressure on these spots right here while the silicone cures. But this is basically what it looks like when it's done. It looks like you have a brand new dash again. And if you have any other plastics in your interior that are faded, we also offer our color matched aerosol paint. So it'll be the exact same color as your original dash as well as the dash cover. So if you have any door panels that are faded or any areas like this that are faded, be sure to add that to your cart at DashSkin.com and get that fixed up today. For the lowest price, please be sure to check out DashSkin.com. All our products are made right here in the USA, and they also come with a lifetime warranty. Thanks for checking out our video.